guys, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys one of my easiest meals that I do prepare for the kids on days that I haven't got much time. As you can see, I've got a few ingredients all laid out here, so I'll walk you guys through the process. My kids do enjoy this, so it's quite easy. You can try this out at home, and believe you me, I trust your kids will enjoy this as well. So as you can see, I've got some pasta here. This is leftover pasta from yesterday, particularly pen pasta if we have to specify the name. So all cooked leftover pasta from yesterday. And this is what I'll be using for this recipe. I've got one diced onion. You can use white onion of your choice. I've got some ingredients here, spices. I've got a bit of curry powder, black pepper, thyme. You can see I've got 2 fresh chopped tomatoes there. I've got garlic cloves, 2 garlic cloves. I've got all-purpose seasoning powder, and I've got a bit of parsley and coriander. I've got 3 eggs there, which I'll be using as well. Of course, oil. I'll be using some olive oil, and I will be adding a bit of soya sauce into that. So this is basically what we need for this recipe. So let's dive into it, guys. If you're joining me for the first time, you're highly welcome. So just stay tuned. So guys, let's start off. I've got an empty bowl here. So first thing, I'll just go ahead and crack my 3 eggs into the bowl. So if you're joining me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the real deal. I don't take your time for granted. Thank you guys for always coming back and watching my videos. We'll go ahead now and start adding our ingredients. I'm just going ahead to add our onions into the bowl of eggs. At the same time, I'm just trying to mix everything up. I'm adding in my fresh tomatoes. I'm adding the curry powder, black pepper, and thyme in. This recipe is quite easy, guys, and very, very delicious at the same time. I'm adding my seasoning powder and a pinch of salt. I'm adding in a handful of parsley and coriander. So just mix that up. Then I'll go ahead now and crush my garlic cloves. I'll just crush that in. I'll add a bit of my soya sauce. Not too much, guys. And then I'll carefully mix everything up together. Last but not the least, we'll go in with our pasta. Then I'll mix all the ingredients together. Trust you me, guys. Try this out. Let's go ahead and turn our stove on. I'll leave it on medium heat. I'll just add about 2 tablespoons of oil. And then I'll move it around just to spread the oil evenly out. Then I'll allow the oil to heat up a little bit. So it's now time for us to add in our pasta mixture. Try as much to spread it out, guys, because you want your egg to cook, and the rest of the other ingredients like the onions and the tomatoes From time to time, you want to shake your skillet, your frying pan up, just to avoid it from sticking at the bottom. That sound to me, guys, is heaven. You can hear that sizzling sound. For me, it's heaven. To allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. Then I go ahead and I use a bigger plate because I just want to turn it the other way around. Look at that. Just have a look at that, and then I'll leave it to cook for about 2 minutes again, and dinner is ready for the kids. So you cook the bottom part for about 2 minutes. If you cannot, please, you can use a wooden spoon just to section it and do that in portions. Please do not burn yourself because you want to make something look perfect. So I'm just going to allow this to cook for about 2 minutes more. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and stay blessed. Remain safe. Do not forget to put a smile on somebody's face. Love you all. Bye.